So we are about to try on the wig. It looks beautiful as you guys saw. Now I just can't wait to try it on. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. So obviously guys, before you do anything, you want to make sure that your edges are slicked right back. And if you can, try to do some cornrows on your hair. I did 8 cornrows on my hair. So itchy, y'all, so itchy. Oof. In the box they added 2 different wig caps. As you guys saw, I am gonna use the darker one. I don't like the combs pulling on my hair, so the wig cap is really like a layer for me. So when I clip in the wig, it doesn't pull on my natural hair. I hope that makes sense. Some people don't mind, but I don't know how y'all do it. Okay, so as you guys saw, the lace has been already pre-cut for you, for us, for me, which is awesome. Now, I usually like to take my foundation and tint the lace of the wig, but it seems pretty dark already, so I'm not gonna do that yet. I'm just gonna try it on first and see what it's giving. This is glueless, so you don't have to glue it on. It's totally optional. I had no expectations for this, so I don't know what I'm even expecting, but it's cute. It's very cute. I won't lie, it's cute. It's very cute. It's giving grown. It's giving grown. Definitely makes me look grown and sexy, which I like. I feel like I have to play with it a little bit more just to, you know, make it suit my face. Not like it doesn't suit me, but I have to like play with it a little bit more. So let me just do that. And I really like the fact that the lace is already cut for you. So to be honest, I don't have to do anything to the lace because you can't even see it. I mean, where is it? Where is it? So that's a really good thing. But if you wanted to, you know, go the extra mile, you can, you know, play with it a little bit. You can see this part is sticking out. You can cut it off. You know, just make sure it looks cute. You feel me? So I guess I'm gonna play with it and see what we get. But yeah, the curls are cute. Don't have to do much, I guess, but I think I'm talking too much. That's better. That's better. Now, I feel like the lace is a little bit too brown, or is it gray? It's giving like grayish vibes, so I wanna use my makeup brush with my makeup residue on it already, and then just tint that lace a little bit.
A few minutes later.
I won't even lie, I feel like doing that makes such a big difference. Even just here, it just looks more natural. I don't know if you guys can tell. Okay friends, so honestly I was trying to see what else I could do, but honestly this wig is super beginner friendly, and even if you're not like a beginner to wigs, it is so easy, so simple. You just stick it on and you go, sis. You don't have to do too much. As you guys saw, I literally didn't have to do much apart from really just tinting the lace a little bit with my foundation. The curls are popping. I was thinking, should I add more curls, but they look so good already. so I don't really have to. Super elegant. I really, really like it. I mean, check out the color. Check it out. This is the definition of wear and go. I've had a lot of wear and go wigs, and a lot of them are not wear and go. If you're interested, guys, I will leave all the details of this wig in the description box, as I always do. You can please go ahead and check it out, and I believe I have a code. You can apply that code and get some money off. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think about the wig in the comment box down below. I really want to hear your opinion, guys. Please leave a comment, something down below. Like the video, it helps more people to discover this channel. And as usual, guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.